For today's video, we're going to do something a little different. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that laser engraving is a big part of what I do. But it's not my only hobby. Over the years, I've had quite a few interests, and while I've shared some of them with you, like fishing, for example, I haven't really talked much about the others. Today, I would like to share one that's been a huge part of my life for many years. My brother Bill and I have been writing songs for over 65 years. We started writing together when we were just kids. And through the decades, we've filled notebooks, scraps of paper, cassette tapes, and our memories with songs. Some are love songs, some are tell stories, some are inspirational, and some are just plain fun. The funny thing is, even after all those years, we've only published a handful of them. Most of our music has never been heard by anyone outside of our family and close friends. As we've gotten older, we started thinking about something that's probably crossed the mind of a lot of people that are our age. What happens to all the songs after we're gone? We realized that if we didn't do something now, decades of writing could simply disappear. That just didn't seem right. So we decided it was finally time to share them with the world. Now, before anyone asks, neither Bill nor I are trying to become the next big recording artists. That ship sailed a long time ago. This isn't about fame or making money. It's about preserving something we've loved doing for most of our lives. Thanks to today's AI music technology, we're finally able to hear our lyrics come to life the way we've always imagined them. The voices may not be ours, but every lyric, every melody idea, and every song concept comes from us. That's why we created this new channel. It's simply a place where two brothers can leave behind a musical legacy for our families, our friends, and anyone else who enjoys good music. I'd really appreciate it if you take a few minutes to stop by and check it out. If you hear a song that you enjoy, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and if you think we're heading in the right direction, we'd be honored if you'd subscribe. Your support will help these songs reach more people, and it would mean a lot to both of us. I'll put a link down in the description to the channel, and you can go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for letting me share this very personal project with you. Now, let's get back to lasers in the next video.